How y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tamara, guys. And if you're new, welcome to the family, guys. And please remember to subscribe to my videos. So today, guys, I'll be showing you guys, well, tonight, because it's night now and I'm getting ready for bed, take off my makeup, wrap my hair, and get ready for bed. So guys, tonight I'm going to show you guys how to wrap your hair before you go to bed. It's actually good, really good for your hair. Okay? And make sure you tie it down with a satin or silk scarf or whatever you have on it, whatever you have. Okay, or you can also sleep on a silk or satin pillow. When you like wrap your hair or tie your head with a satin or silk scarf, it keeps the moisture in your hair. Okay, do not use cotton. Always satin or silk. So show you guys how I wrap my hair. So guys, I realized this thing was really echoing pretty bad. So I went and fixed it. I hope it fits actually because I'm in the bathroom, so I closed the door and it was really like echoing, so I did that. So first you want to like detangle your hair. Okay, this is mine. Just detangling. Okay, all there. Okay. So like this, you're gonna comb everything to one side. Doesn't matter if it's left or right, whichever side you want to comb it to. And this, see that? Grab this here. Maybe that on the back. Put your hand on top of your head to hold down everything that you already wrapped. Okay? Like this. You hold it down and you just continue to bring it around. Make sure you detangle as you go, guys. You have to be really careful because while you're doing it, your hair is actually knotting. So just detangle it in the meantime because you don't want to break your hair. Okay. I want to detangle again. Okay. So next thing you're going to do, you're going to get your pins, your ear pins to secure this wrap. So you're going to pin it down. You want to make sure you secure this wrap because when you're sleeping, you don't know what you're doing and you don't want it to be loose by the time you get up. You want it to be so it doesn't matter how many pins you use, just secure it as best as you can. Okay? There's no specific way to secure it, just put the pins where you think will fall down. And ta-da! Your hair is wrapped. Easy as that. 1, 2, 3. It's so easy, guys. Just follow these simple instructions and you'll have your hair wrapped just the way you want it to, okay? So guys, that's the end of my video. Oh, wait, let me show you guys. So this is what I normally do. This is my satin scarf that I use to tie my head to sleep at nights. So I just fix it the way I want it and just like I tie it down really tight. So not tight to make your head hurt, but tight enough to stay on your head while sleeping. So okay, see? Then it's bedtime. Well, after I take my makeup off, then it's bedtime. Easy cheesy. Ta-da! Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you guys have any question or any other video you guys want me to do for you. I will hook you guys up. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I love you guys. Bye. Good night. Have a great night, guys.